Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I am excited to be a part of Rosie's studio design team. If you don't know Rosie's studio, they have a gorgeous online store selling beautiful paper pad collections with all of their die cuts. Some of the chipboard stickers, 6x6 papers. I'm going to link down below Rosie Studios online store if you wanted to check out what they have in their store. And I have here one of the collections that they have, and I think this is one of their latest paper collections, and it's called Bayfair design paper collection. And what I have here is the complete value bundle pack, and so you get everything that is part of the kit that coordinates with the papers. And I'm going to show you all the individual packages that come with the coordinating paper pack. And so this is these are the papers that come in the 12x12 papers, as well as their 6x6 paper pad. It is just absolutely beautiful. I love the colors. I cannot wait to do some projects and show you what I'm going to make with the papers. If you wanted to come back and I'll show you some of the projects I have in mind. But I wanted to show you what is in the coordinating collection in case you're interested in just purchasing them individually. So I got the complete value pack, and then I'm going to show you what each pack is, so then just to give you an idea what's included in each of the coordinating packs with the papers. So I'm going to start with these packs, and I haven't really had a good look at them myself. I just got the I got the package in the mail this morning, so I thought I'll do the video and we'll look at it together. So let me start with the we'll start with the coordinating die cuts and ephemera pieces, and then I'll go through and have a look at the papers with you. I'll just put the papers and the paper pad to the side first, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to make some projects as part of the design team for them. So this one here is the chipboard embellishment pack, and they just look so pretty. You get quite a few in here, and so these would be great to embellish your projects, to do you can use these in part of your journals as well, to cover your journals. So there's actually two. There we go. So you get two pieces of each, so that's great. So you get two of each, so you can play with these. I like this one's a cute one. It's like a ticket shape chipboard embellishment. This is just so pretty, very pretty. And there is this next one here. I think it's, I might just take this out so I could have a look. These look like the puffy stickers, and I like the background paper as well of the packaging, which would be great to use again. So these are the puffy stickers, and this contains one sheet, and these are the stickers that come in the coordinating kit. Word sentiments and some flowers, dragonfly. So cute little tiny little banner shapes. So there's quite a few in the sheet. And then these are the dimensional dragonflies, and you get one sheet of each one of these. Just so lovely. And then we also have here some buttons. There we are, 12 pieces of these really lovely buttons. Look how tiny this one is. These are adorable, just adorable. And the next pack is a pack of epoxy embellishments. So they're like stickers, and they're sort of raised a little bit, which make great embellishment to finish off your projects as well. So there's quite a few in there. So there's one sheet of these. They're like enamel dots and heart shapes. some words, circle shapes. Just lovely. I love the colors. And there is a big pack of die cuts, and there are 172 pieces in this pack. I mean, there is a ton of these. So this will tell you what's included in the pack of all the die cuts and ephemera pieces. Let me have a look if I can open it from here. Have a look and see what's in here. I love die cuts. I love ephemeras. I think they just make a great way to just finish off the projects, and then they're great for, you know, adding on to tags, card making. Wow, there is a lot in here. If you can see, there is a heap in here. I'll just take a few so I don't lose them. But look how pretty these are. I just have like a shabby feel, feminine look to these tags. And then you can also write here if you like. These are just gorgeous, so feminine. Just have a look at a few more. I mean, these are great for your planners. Looks like you get two of each of the ephemera pieces in here. This is some more. Oh, I love these. These are nice too. Goodness me. My little boo-boo, he's snoring so loud. So that's some more of the extra double pieces. I'm going to have a look at some more of these. And this will just give me an idea to think what I like to add into my projects. I can't wait to make some fun projects and show you what I'm going to make with these. Oh, look, this is so cute. Isn't this just adorable? Wow, there are so many. And the colours are so bright. I'm just trying to show if I can just bring them all out. You know what I might do? Oh, I don't know if you can hear him in the background, but he's he must be having a very good dream. Here's some more. A lot of banner strips, a lot of word sentiments. Enjoy the little things. Some more little ephemera pieces. These would go a long way in your projects too, and these would also make great little gifts if you want to gift a few to a crafty friend in a Happy Mail, in your Happy Mail package, and you can just tuck a few of these inside one of your pockets or little envelopes. There's still some more in here. This little file tab shape. So this is one pack that you can purchase on its own if you just wanted the die cuts on its own. So there is just some more. So that's these, and there is a bunch more in here. But the on the packaging it tells you what all each of the images are, or what's inside. I'm just going to put these back so I don't lose them. So I'll just show you again. So these are, I think, just some of what you get inside the pack. So it gives you an idea. So I'll just put these away off camera. I'll just put this to the side on top of that packaging. I'll just put this up here. There is also another die cut ephemera pack as well, which is this one contains 136 pieces. So there is this pack which contains 172 pieces, and then there is also this one here. I'm just going to quickly open this one. So now he's barking. Sorry about that. So let's have a look at this one. So let's have a look. So these ones have all of the more pretty images. We've got flowers, some birds, some stamp shape, some flag banners, some cute other images. Let's have a quick look at these. There is so many. This would go a long way in all of your projects. You can just make a ton of all sorts. So we have got here. Oh god, now we've got a plane flying past. This is cute. It's like a soda soft drink bottle. Look at these flowers. I love when I look at the flowers. Oh, what's this one? Oh, this is so cute. It's a flower shop image. So all these lovely flowers in here. Wow. Very generous with the amount of die cuts you get in the pack. I mean, look at all these lovely floral die cuts. There is a bike, some butterflies. And I think you get maybe 2 or 3 of these flowers. I mean, look, these are some larger size ones. And then there's some smaller ones. So let's have a look at these. There's birds, the bluebird, swimming costume. So we've got a bunch of those in there. I won't put these back in the packaging. I'll just place it on the top here and sort that out later. There's a lot of gold ephemera pieces too, so there's some lovely gold colours. Some gold little dragonflies. I like this one. It's like a Polaroid, mini Polaroid picture. So heaps of these. Some more tiny little pieces in here as well. So many. Look at these little tiny ones. They're inside. It's in the pack. I'll leave them in there. Alright, so I'll just put these up the top here. And there is another pack. This one contains 2 sheets of a sticker pack, cardstock sticker pack. So there is this one, and then there is another sheet. Oh, I like this one. I love the word hello. I like this one. Thanks a bunch. I love these banners. This is a lovely, I like this one. This would be great as well to add to your embellishments or card making, your folios, journals. So these are the coordinating packs, and you can buy these individually, or you can buy them in a value bundle pack that I got, and you get all of these included, as well as the 2 packs of the die cuts or ephemera packs. So that's those, and now I'll have a look at the paper pack. They also have 12 by 12 papers in the collection and a 6 by 6 paper pad, and this is I think it's single-sided paper. I'm just trying to find something to peel the stick off the side. And I'm loving the patterns already just by looking at the cover. So let me just go and grab something to open it. Here we go, I've got it. And the papers they're a nice paperweight, so it's easier to fold, easier to make for whatever projects you like. So they are single-sided, and I think you get 2 of each in the pack. There's some gold. This is nice, isn't it lovely? Some stripes. Gorgeous prints, just a lovely, this would be lovely to work with. And look at this one, get a few of these would be great to fussy cut. There are all the different flowers with the names. And then I think they just double up to so you get 2 of each in the 6 by 6 paper pad. And the 12 by 12 papers are also single-sided, and it's pretty much the same as the 6 by 6 papers, just in a 12 by 12 size. and you get 2 of each in the pack as well. So these are just the larger prints. So I'm really excited to be part of the design team for Rosie's studio. Oh, they've got some different ones in here. So there's this one. I think you get 1 of each in the pack, 1 each of the papers. I thought you get 2 each, but you get 1 of each. So I just thought I'd share with you what I received, and I will link down below Rosie's studio website and their Instagram if you want to have a look at their Instagram, and you can have a look at all of the other design team members that have created projects to get some inspiration using all their other paper collections that they have in their store. At the moment I've got this one, and I can't wait to share with you what I'm going to make, and hopefully you'll come back and join me so I can show you the projects as well as a tutorial for you as well. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing or a look at some of the papers from Rosie's studio. And this is the Bayfair Collection, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.